Do you have your own business? If the answer is yes, then you'll probably understand how difficult it can be to promote your business online. Online videos are an excellent way of getting your name out there. The tips found in the video will help you to learn how to use video marketing for business in easy steps. If this is your first time here and you want to build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon so you don't miss anything. If your customers don't understand how to use your products or services properly, a video may be needed. You will solve the issue for those who asked about it and for those who will need it in the future too. Do your customers ask the same questions again and again? If so, then publish a video to respond thoroughly to them. As a business owner, you can add a page dedicated to frequently asked questions. Try adding videos on your FAQ page. Providing both video answers and an FAQ page helps your clients to select the preferred choice. You can use video marketing to bring success to your business. Show off the method that reaches your production line or the way your office works. If customers come to know you and see you being honest, they will trust you. If you are using YouTube for video marketing, then read all the comments left on your videos. Treat your customers with respect and reply to their comments. Some people may make constructive criticisms about your business. Use this situation to your advantage. When posting a video online, always request something from your loyal viewers. Use call to actions on your videos. Ask viewers to subscribe to your channel or watch other videos. People are turned away from things that are complicated or confusing, so try to keep it simple. The more engaging videos you have, the more you'll be successful. Regularly upload videos so viewers visit your channel frequently looking for new content. This will help attract the viewers of various categories, giving your business even more attention. If you want to be a good video marketer, be frank with your viewers and straightforward. If the video is about your product, say so. Having conversations in the comment section of your videos will build good relationships with viewers and clients. Networking with other people in your field will expand your expertise. I hope this video will help you discover that video marketing is the best platform for your business. Thousands of videos are uploaded on YouTube every day, and there are millions of hungry viewers looking for good video content. Use the tips on this channel and you will soon see that you are attracting more new customers. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video and let us know what you think in the comments below. I'll see you guys on the next one.